Good morning, children. How are you all? Hope you all are taking a good care of yourself. So, children, let us start today's class. Today, in this class, I am going to discuss some reasoning questions which are based on series completion of the numbers of class 6th. So, let us start it. This is class 6th, subject reasoning, and the topic is series completion. Children, before I start discussing the questions based on series completion of the numbers, I am going to define what do you mean by series. So series is nothing but a list of numbers which are arranged in a definite order, as well as they are going to follow a definite and a fixed rule. Then and only then, children, on the basis of the given list of the numbers, you can judge what rule is defined there, and further you can apply the same rule to complete the series. Got it, children? So children, here is our first question. Complete the series. The question number 1 is 9, 27, 81, and you have to fill this blank. So children, what you have to do, you have to observe this list of numbers, as well as you have to observe that what specified rule is going to be applied in this list of numbers, so that we can come to know about the other number. Fine. बच्चों, आपको इस दी हुई सीरीज में ऐसा रूल स्पेसिफाई करना है, ऐसा रूल सोचना है जिससे ये पूरी की पूरी सीरीज एक एप्रोप्रिएट रूल के साथ कंप्लीट हो जाए. ठीक है. सो व्हाट वी आर गोइंग टू डू फॉर दैट? Here you can see, children, this is 9. How can I write 9? Can this 9 be written like this? 3 into 3. Or you can even write it 3 square also. Correct? What do you mean by square number? Suppose if I have written 3 square, it means 3 will be multiplied by itself twice, so that I can get its perfect square, that is 9. Okay. So when I multiply 3 by 3, I got 9. Here you see, how did I get 27 when I am multiplying 3 by 3 times? So I will be getting 27. Now let us talk about 81. When I am going to multiply 3 by 3 4 times. This is 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27, 27 into 3, that is 81. Okay. Now children, here you have to fill the answer. What you have to do? You have to multiply 3 by 5 times. Or what you can do, you can multiply 81 by one more 3 to come to know about this number. So what the series will be there? 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 and into 3. 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27, 27 into 3 81, 81 into 3 is 243. So children, our B option is the right option. Got it? Now children, let us switch to the next question. Question number 2, this is 11, 21, 36, 56, and we will have to fill the next number. So children, what did I observe in this series? I am going to take the difference of 21 and 11. When I subtracted 11 from 21, I got 10. The difference between these two numbers is 10. Let us go for the difference between 36 and 21. You will be getting 15. Correct? Now we have to go for the difference of 56 and 36. तो उसके लिए क्या करना पड़ेगा? 36 को 56 में से माइनस करना पड़ेगा. So I have got 20. Children, just observe what kind of difference I am going to get. I am going to get the multiple of 5. This is 5 2s are 10, 5 3s are 15, 5 4s are 20. So now next gap will be of 25. So how can I get this number? I have to add this difference 25 in 56. So let us add them. 6 plus 5 11, 1 carry, 7 plus 1 8. So the answer will be 81. Got it? Now children, our next question is 4, 16, 5, 25, 6, 36, 7 and so on. Okay. So what do I observe in it? I saw this is 4. When I multiply by 4, I get 16. Means 16 is the perfect square of 4. When I multiply 5 by 5, I get 25. When I multiply 6 by 6, I get 36. So definitely I have to multiply 7 by 7 to get the next number. So 7 sevens are 49. Understood? Now children, I am on question number 4. The given series is 1, 8, 27, 64, 125 and I have to fill the next number. So children, what did I observe in it? They all are perfect cubes. Can I write 1 cube is equal to 1? What does it mean? 1 cube means 1 into 1 into 1. That is 1. Means 1 will be multiplied by itself 3 times. So this is 2 cube. 2 into 2 into 2, that is 8. This is 3 cube. How to write it? 3 cube like this. This is 4 cube. 4 into 4, 16. 16 into 4, 64. Then this is 5 cube. 5 into 5, 25. 25 into 5, that is 125. Now my answer will be 6 cube. That is 6 into 6 into 6. 6 6 are 36. 36 into 6 will be 216. Got it? Now children, this is our last question of today's reasoning class. Question number 5. The given series is 1, 9, 25, 4, 16, 36, 9, 25 and we have to fill the next number. So children, please observe what can be done. Here children, I am going to make the grouping of these 3 numbers, then these 3 and then these 3. Fine. How? This is 1 square, that is 1 into 1. 1 is an odd number, so 1 square will be 1. This is 3 square, 3 into 3, that is 9. Now this is again odd number, 5 square, that is 25. So this is 1 square, 3 square, 5 square. Children, you know 1, 3, 5 all are odd numbers. Now let us switch to the next grouping. This is 2 square, means 2 into 2. This is 4 square and this is 6 square. That is 4, 16 and 36. They all are even numbers. Now the turn will be there of odd number again. This is what? Correct. 3 square. This is 5 square. So children, what will be the next odd number? That is 7. So 7 square will be 49. And our series is complete. Children, I hope after watching this video, whatever doubts you will be having related to these reasoning questions based on series completion may have been resolved. So that's it for the day. Thank you and have a nice day.